before Jacob gets to his office and does his real job for the day, let's have him be part of our live read here.
Let's do it.
I hold up the sign and I say, guys, let's talk about our friend Jacob Emrani.
Yeah, listen, it's the holiday season, right? You're sitting at a red light. You're thinking about, like, oh, man, I got to get all these gifts. I got to go to a holiday party. I got to pick up the kids to take them to their stuff. And then all of a sudden, you're at that red light, and what happens?
Bam!
That's what happens. But there's a new number that you need to remember, and it's the easiest number in the world to remember, because when you get into an accident, your first thought should be, call Jacob, okay, at 800-345.
6-7-8-9.
It's very simple, guys. The insurance company, they're not there to be your friend. They're going to act like your friend, but they're not your friend. And you don't want to do the thing that everyone thinks they should do, which is take the first offer, because you just don't want to deal with the hassle.
Well, Jacob, we always talk about this. You should actually just jump in right here. So somebody gets that call, right? It's Christmas. They're just coming out of Thanksgiving. They got, bills to pay. There's gifts to buy, et cetera. And you're kind of almost incentivized, like, I should take this money. But you really shouldn't take the money, right?
Absolutely. If you ever get a phone call from an insurance company or an adjuster or somebody offering you money, you can imagine that they owe you at least 3 to 4 times that. Because if they're offering it to you now, it's because insurance companies have these departments. They're supposed to call you within the first 24 hours before you talk to an attorney, throw some money at you, and make you take it so you don't know your rights. And that's why, we've been saying this for a long time. Is like, if you get a phone call from an insurance company, you just tell them, this is my attorney. Call Jacob.
Yeah.
And they give us a call, and you don't even need to worry about, all this stuff that they try to tell you. They try to record you. You feel like I'm not doing anything wrong, and then they turn around and use that recording against you down the line. So you just have to just not talk to them. If they're offering you money, you're owed a lot more money than that, and that's, thank God, for 28 years, that's what we've been doing.
Yeah, when they called, you tell them, hey, I'm really busy right now. I'll call you right back. And then what you do is you call 800-345.
6-7-8-9.
Or visit calljacob.com, a proud legal partner of your Los Angeles Rams, Jacob Emrani.